Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kia nyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa githomo guku Nairobi, Minista wa githomo Fred Matiang'i neugire muoroto munene ni kugathika mitaratara ya gutigira githomo kiria kiraheo arutwo ni gikinyaniirie ikiro. Matiang'i agititirithia ati mitaratara imwe ni ya kuhurana na maratathi ma ngungo ma mathomo maria maratumirwo ni andu kwigwatira mawira.
But now we are ending this anarchy. That's why we are calling for a qualifications database. So the agencies that are here from January, as soon as we complete this process of the regulations and the framework and everything, as we agreed, our next port of call is to now begin to develop the databases, so that it's not a problem for anyone to trace qualifications.
Miario wa Minista yukite riri Senator wa Meru Mithika Linturi akanjirwo digiri yake ni University ya Nairobi gukirikana ati ahuthirire maratathi ma maheni guthomera digiri iyo. Undu riu gukorwo uri uritu arutwo kuhuthagira maratathi ma maheni.
We began admitting students, and the gross abuse of the clause in most of our statutes that says you need to have a C+ or its equivalent. Now, that equivalent is not standardized. That equivalent is not known what it's supposed to be.
Ohide-ini oro Professor Bonaventure Kere uria niwe muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa guthurima ukinyaniru wa mathomo niruo Kenya National Qualifications Authority na ugite maratathi ma ngungo mahota kuhotomia wigiririki wa andiko mawira-ini mao.
Several major challenges have arisen in the sector. These include, for example, the lack of articulation of learning outcomes at each level of learning, compromising the quality of learning and training in this country. The lack of clear pathways for learners to advance to higher levels of learning and training. In other words, even at various levels, lacking recognition for prior learning.
Undu uyu ukite thutha wa uthuthuria gutabanio ni kamiti ya githomo ya university gutigira arutwo ni makinyanirie ikiro iria ciagirire mathomo-ini mao. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV, nie ngetwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.